On today's body cam, we're checking out passengers force their way onto jet bridge after missing their flight.
On January 18th, 2026, deputies were dispatched to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after two women entered a restricted jet bridge at Gate G6, following the closure of boarding for a Spirit Airlines flight to Cancun, Mexico.
Yeah, you can't do that. You gotta come out here. Yeah, but there's rules and things you gotta follow. So I was supposed to put the thing in first, right? Go.
Wait, don't touch it, please.
3 Foxtrot 400. I'm 2-5 with him. I'm gonna walk them back out.
I'm trying to. He ready to go. Okay, go.
Come on.
They walked up right.
These two.
And they got inside.
Come back here.
Yes, they were right there.
How far are they made? They made it. So they made it all the way to the plane.
Hanging on the reach. Like,
All right. Marco. So they were late. They somehow got in there and went all the way to the plane while the plane's backing out. So
It's my birthday. I'm trying to go miss my flight. We just opened the door.
I don't know how they got back there.
Huge security risk. Y'all in deep trouble, boy. Talking about it's your birthday. Well, you about to spend your birthday in jail, okay?
They ran me. Listen. Yeah, because Ops is calling me. Ops is the one.
Oh, no wonder they went out of business. Look who it is. It's our old friend Spirit. Look at this. This is fresh. This is this year too. See, they probably went out of business because of them. And it's sad that they had such a reputation that they did have, because Spirit, no accidents, no fatal accidents. And that almost no airline can say that. You know what I mean? As ghetto and ratchet and whatever as it is, you got to give props where it's due, man. And them pilots and everything, they got something going on, man. RIP to Spirit, man.
Nobody called me.
First of all, they were like, they came from Pittsburgh. They were like, again? Oh my Lord.
Here we are.
They said they came from Pittsburgh and they were like, well, we missed the flight because we're going through damn TSA. I said, wait a minute, if you came from Pittsburgh, how would you miss the flight? Y'all must have gone through, why would you go through TSA? They're like, no, we didn't go through it. Yes, we went through TSA. One saying they went out to smoke. The other one saying we don't smoke. The other one goes, yeah, we smoke. So they literally, like, I guess, came from the connected. That I don't know. I was literally.
The door down. They told me that they ran through. That everything was closed up. They pulled everything, ran through to think that they couldn't get on the aircraft.
Yeah, but how did they get through this door? It was closed.
They pulled it. That's why the thing was going off.
Yeah, but how would it? Like, but then that door is not secure. That door is not safe.
That's right. They told me.
All I know is I got the phone call. I wasn't. She was. They were. She was on the jet bridge. No, you. I was coming up, and when I got the phone call saying I need you right now, I got 2 passengers on the jet. Huh?
She said she
That way. Lower G.
That's what she said. She said, I closed the door. They closed the door, and then when she said, oh, they was yanked it.
How'd you get back there? Is that door open?
I just turned the doorknob and opened it. I said, we didn't break in and nothing. Ask that lady.
Bravo 40, nice in the air.
Like, we just turned the doorknob. That's it. She said they lay there, they just shut the door, we went and opened it. That's it.
Yeah, that's like a big deal. Like if people try to go down there when they shouldn't.
Well, we were just trying to find somebody.
You guys aren't free to leave when our you see how there's like 8 cops around here. It's kind of a big deal, okay?
We're apologize. We were just trying to catch our flight.
Is there any way we could be accommodated for our flight? Is there any way we could be accommodated for our flight, our trip?
I mean, that you're gonna have to figure out. You already missed the plane. If the plane's backing out, you already
It
missed.
wasn't backing out. They were still there.
Once they get on there and they close those doors, the plane is pretty much gone. So you're not allowed to just go out.
Like, we were just,
Plus, it's like a restricted area. I'm surprised that door was open.
yeah, I just
Give me a second.
Shut down for me, please.
Detain them? All right, they're gonna detain you.
For what?
It doesn't mean you're under arrest, but you're just being detained. It's unlawful that you go
For my
back there.
birthday? This is
No, not for
crazy.
your birthday.
It is my birthday. I'm 50 years old. Yes, please. I got 50.
You're just being detained. It doesn't mean you're under arrest. They're just detaining you. All right? You like this?
Like I'm 50 years old. Silly, are you serious? All kinds of bitch, all because you want to smoke a cigarette? I'm serious. I'm not, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna forget
Go ahead and get them outside.
Okay, so we have a unit over there?
We'll worry about that. Let's just start getting them out of the street.
Okay. Well, what do you mean, man? Which the quickest way out? Let's go right there. I'll follow him.
So by just the little bits and pieces that I'm hearing, you know, because the other lady that is her birthday, she was sitting there saying that, man, all this because you wanted to smoke a cigarette. So the other one probably had an itch, wanted to go find a place where they could smoke or whatever the case may be. I don't even know. Do they have designated areas in the airport where you could smoke? I don't even know. I'm not a smoker, so I don't know. Maybe if you a smoker and you fly, let me know. But I don't even know what happens. Like, you know, making it. I'm talking about making it past TSA and going all the way down back. Like, where are you gonna smoke? Or maybe there is designated places. I don't know. But anyways, I'm somebody, when I fly, I'm late. It is what it is. Okay. I like to get there an hour early. I'll arrive. Let's say my flight is at 5 a.m. I get there at 4. So I have an hour to get through TSA, all of that, blah, blah, blah. Cause that's going to take you about at least 20 minutes to a half hour. That's going to take you at least. Okay, cool. And then by the time you find your gate, get down back or whatever, you got about maybe a good 20 minutes before they actually start boarding. So that's how I like to play it. But playing it like that, you have to know the risk that's involved with it. Okay? And there's times that I've had close calls where I would have missed my flight or things like that, but it's something you just got to take on the chin. You know, it's something you just got to take on the chin. And, you know, because it is important to be on, you know, early, really early, you know, at least 2 hours, especially playing with the airport and everything. You know, you never know. So they tell you to be there 2 hours. If it's international, you want to be there like 3 hours early. Me, forget all that. I'm just getting there an hour early and we're going to figure it out. We're going to thug it out through there. I remember one time I was in, where was I at? I was in Vietnam. I think I was in Vietnam. And no, was I in Vietnam? I was either in Vietnam or the Philippines. I can't remember which one, but it was bad. It was bad because we got there, or no. Where was it? I can't remember which one. But anyway, it was one of them Asian countries, because now I'm starting to think maybe it was Hong Kong. But I can't remember. But either way, we got through, we're waiting. The line is super long, crazy long. And my flight is starting to board in like 10 minutes. It was so bad. Man, I said, one of them gate agents was walking through. I said, yo, how much to get me through here now? I need to get through here now, bro. Now. You know, and he just took me. He was like, yo, all right, come on. He like, I had, you know, that's why you always got to have some cash on you too, man. Like, yo, I got this for you, man. It was like, I forget what it was. It was either like $50 or $100. One of the two. I was like, yo, throw me a little. He like, I'll be right back. Boom. So he talk, he opened up like a little airway thing spot, like he like to cut me through, talk to one of the people that was like scanning passports and all that stuff. It like, yo, And then he like, all right, you got it. I slip it to him, whatever. He put it in his pocket. He like, yo, come on, follow me. Boom. He walked me right on through. Boom. I'm like, oh, it's lit. It's lit. He's like, let me see your passport. Boom. He showed me the passport. He like, yo, let me see your ticket. Boom. I got him my ticket. He like, and he walked me all the way through. All the way through. None of that. Nothing. Yo, I felt like a celebrity, man. But that was a close call because I was going to miss my flight. It was over.
Huh? I know. Just walk the way it is. Let's go ahead and stand right here against the wall.
Like we're old ass ladies. We ain't doing nothing.
Get your chair.
It's her birthday. You see, it's her birthday.
So here's the thing. We don't know what happened. We just got called to there. Whatever took place. They'll sort it out now, okay?
Okay.
So let's
Y'all
just sit
take
there.
these cups off.
No, can't. They're back there. They'll sort it out. They'll let us know.
The TSA was taking long.
That's wrong.
TSA was taking long. We had to find where we was going. When we got there, nobody was there. So we turned the door and we went in. That's it. That's all. We should try to catch our flight. It's my birthday.
Did anybody scan your boarding pass?
Nobody was out there. We were trying to find somebody. We opened the door to see if somebody was in there.
The door was already shut?
Yeah.
That's the problem right there.
It wasn't locked. No, it said push or pull.
No, I know, but when it's shut, they have to scan your boarding pass and check you in at the counter. Ma'am, turn around, please.
No,
And stand.
it's cool,
Ma'am.
It's cool, Val. It's hurt my feelings. I'm 49 today. I'm under arrest.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, kiss my ass.
I mean, I'm sorry, but like I said, let them figure it out. And they'll let us know.
My feelings is, I ain't even mad. I'm not even mad or scared or nothing. Like,
they got a marquee coming.
have a good time for our birthday. Man,
Where y'all headed to?
Cancun.
Shit.
That shit make you want to smack the do something to go to jail.
Just the two of you?
Shit. It's our birthday, man.
Yeah, but that's like I was saying earlier. You know, when you're going late, listen, you got to take accountability. You got to know what come with that. You know, if you not somebody that's ready to, forfeit that flight or figure that out, like, because if you playing it close, that's on you. You know, if I was to miss my flight and I know I like to play it close, that's on me. Same with them. Oh, TSA was taking long distance. Nah. Because if you was there 3 hours early like you supposed to be for international flights, you wouldn't have this issue. They not 3 hours behind.
It's crazy.
All right, man. Come on, walk with me. We'll take care of that. Right? I'll let him know. Come on, walk with me. Walk. Then we'll get the other one. All right, man.
I feel like dying, yo. Literally, that's how bad I feel. I feel like literally just sitting down. Dang. I can't believe this. Everything I worked for is thrown away in 1 second. In a matter of seconds. Are you kidding me?
We'll walk it over. Okay, man. You can follow me, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna go on the other side, okay?
Okay.
Turn around. Okay, sit first, and then you can put yourself back, okay?
It's hot in here.
We're gonna turn it on now, okay, ma'am? See the sound, AC. If you can turn on the AC first.
They were both charged with trespassing in a critical infrastructure facility and transported to the Broward County Main Jail for booking. Share your thoughts.
Yeah, I mean, you got to be able to take that on the chin, man. It is what it is. You can't blame it on TSA. Nah. Nope. It's on you. You got to be there early enough. Damn. Damn, that's one way to spend your birthday, boy. Woo! You sick.